Hi everyone, this is Grace again, GraceDAExplorer. So today I'm going to share about how to set up the smartphone DSLR teleprompter. But before that, please do not forget to hit the subscribe button, like, comment, and share if you like my video. So, as a content creator on YouTube, it is hard for me to talk in front of my camera and deliver my script perfectly without memorizing all the thoughts that I want to say. And sometimes I stop every time I forgot my lines. I spend a lot of time recording my video, right? Not to mention, I need to edit after doing such. So, here we go. I'm gonna show you how to set up this front store smartphone DSLR teleprompter. Okay? Just watch this. Let's start with the DSLR first. So I already mounted my camera on this tripod. Alright, so the moment you open your box, you can see this stuff. You have the remote, slider for the iPhone or for the smartphone, and different types of lenses, sizes actually. For this is for the camera, and this one is for your smartphone. Alright, so mine is 67 millimeters, so I'm going to use this. Now let's mount it. Alright, so this is the teleprompter now, the mirror. So you need to take it off this thing here. Alright, because this is for the smartphone. And then mount this. Okay, get your phone. Okay, and then do not forget to install the teleprompter application. Okay, this is applicable for Android and iPhone. All right, so there you go. Click start. Okay, just hit the button start here, and then that's it. It's pretty easy. All right, so next is for the smartphone. So earlier we take it off this thing, right? So we need to put it back. Okay, so that we can use this mirror. Alright, and then as what I've mentioned earlier, we have different this kind of thing here. I don't know what is this, but mine is I need to use this hole for the size of my camera is same with this. Okay, so this thing you need to put it here. There you go, at the back of your teleprompter device. There you go. Alright, and this one you need to take it off and then put it here. Okay, and then put your camera. So if you want to have a landscape video, you can put like this, or if you want, you can put like this. Okay, so mine I just want to put here. All right, that's it. So be sure that your camera is swak dun sa butas, okay? And then you can put your script here. I cannot put anything here because I'm using my phone, and I'm using my phone as well here. So that's it.